Women love you. They're just afraid to tell you. So don't think for a second that they don't. It's better to even think that they do love you. Again, most are afraid. And you can see this. Women are with guys most of the time they don't even like and fight with all the time, yet they still love them. And there's also a bunch of other jurisdictions and stuff. But at the end of it, women are loving creatures and emotional. Their natural nest, mother-like instincts, is to love. They go against themselves a lot of the time, but so do we.